A pug named Jelly comes from a long line of heroic jumpers. There was an elite group called the Pug Troopers during the war. Jelly loves to push her bed off and jump into it. She'll even move it for a soft landing, and will do it over again. Her great-granddog, Major Mabel, was part of the Pug Troopers in the war. Mabel would bark orders and was known for her uncanny ability to sniff out enemy positions. The brave platoon of pugs tumbled from the plane to the earth below. Jelly inherited an aptitude for airborne acrobatics, with the legacy of the Pug Troopers pulsing through her veins. Jelly has an irresistible urge to leap. Bombs away! We salute you, Jelly!